I ain't completely heartless, but I guess that just makes one of us, huh? If you got any kind of conscience left in there, you should do the world a favor and let us kill you.
No thanks.